Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to write text in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this new page right here where you can go ahead and get started with creating your new composition. So as you can see, here are the composition settings. You just want to go ahead and select your settings, click OK, and after doing so, your new composition is ready and we can get started with creating our project. So guys, let's go ahead and see how to add text to any of our projects. It's very easy, and basically all we have to do is just use the text option right here that you can find at the top of the page in the menu bar. As you can see, we have the horizontal type tool, so you can click on this and start adding your text to your composition right here. As you can see, let's go ahead and type out tutorial, and now you can get started with editing it. So you can go ahead and select the font, you can go ahead and select the font, how big it is, you can select what kind of options you want, effects, and so on, and you can select where you want to put it in the project. So as you can see, this is our text right here, and we can get started with editing it however we want. Here at the right side of the screen, you have your effects and options that you can use for your text, as you can see, and so on. So it's going to go ahead and help us. As you can see, we have the options to add the text bounds, inserting new text, and so on, anything to your project. After you're satisfied, just go ahead and leave it there and start exporting your file. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.